Hello everyone and welcome back to another amazing video. So in this video, I am going to tell you about such a platform or such a plan in which by doing just trading, you can extract a very good profit. So the name of this unique trading platform is SuperX Traders. So at very first, let us know more about this company's profile. So SuperX Traders is a product of NextG Global Trading, which has an outstanding trading platform providing exchange innovation for data and privately held business. The benefits are widespread around the owned globe along with trading transparency. Now if we talk about the mission and vision of the company, so the primary mission of the company is to give customers the most compelling trading experience possible. And the vision of the company is to provide vibrant, articulate, inclusive and sustainable trading across India, contributing to a prosperous, equitable and stable traders community. Now on the screen, you can see the legal documents as well as the MSME certificate of the company, which proves that the company is 100% government certified and is working under all the government guidelines. So now let us talk about the strengths of the company. So their first strength is customer experience. Because of having a robust system in place enables the company in giving best customer experience in terms of incentives and profits. So their second strength is transparency, because their traders guarantee your benefit by providing complete transparency on transactions and trade. Their third strength is reliability, because their website makes good use of secure control panel to conventionally monitor and safeguard user data. And their last and the fourth strength is commitment, because they provide seamless delivery of transactions and incentives. Now, as you can see on the screen, the page is showing the growth of the company in this year. In May, it was about 100 projects and in August, it's gonna be 5,000 projects. So by seeing this, you can easily make up an idea that how much benefit you can have in the future if you join yourself with this company. So now if we talk about the services which the company provides, so there are three services. First one is the Demat accounts, second trade and returns, and the third one is the assisted trade. Along with that, there are many future projects too which the company is planning to launch soon. From them, the first one is the options trade application, which will be an application which will allow users to invest through options trading. The second one is the prop to LTD transition, which will provide changing course to LTD. And the third future project which they are planning to launch soon is reliable trading application, which will be an application which will allow its users to trade directly on NSE and BSE. So now let us directly talk about the business model of the company. So first, when we talk about the package income here, so on getting a 5,500 PMS package, you can get up to 15% monthly incentives up to the validity of 15 months. Or on having a 11,000 PMS package, you can get up to 15% monthly incentive from here up to 15 months. On having a 22,000 PMS package, you can get 15% monthly incentives up to the duration of 15 months. On having a 55,000 PMS package here, you can get up to 20% monthly incentive up to the duration of 10 months. And on having a 1,10,000 worth PMS package, you can get 20% monthly incentive with the duration of 10 months. And at last, on having a 5,50,000 worth PMS package here, you can get 20% monthly incentive up to the duration of 10 months. Now moving ahead, let us talk about the level income. So here in level 1, if you can complete 0 to 1.5 lakh of business, then you will get 4% incentive from here. In level 2, on completing 1.5 lakh to 5 lakh business here, you will get 4.5% of incentive. In level 3, on completing 5 to 15 lakh business here, you will get 5% as incentive. In level 4, if you can complete 15 to 35 lakh of business here, so you will get 5.5% of incentive from here. In level 5, if you can complete total 35 to 75 lakh of business, so you will get 6% incentive from here. So this similar calculation continues, and on reaching level 21, if you can complete more than 1000 crore of business, so you will get total 10% incentive from here. So now let us talk about the sponsor level income, where you can get the income by direct sponsors under you. So here in level 1, you can get 10% of incentives. In level 2, you can get 5% of incentive. and in level 3 and level 4 also you can get 5% of incentive from here. Now as you can see on the screen, the sponsor level income chart. So here in level 1 on first direct you will get 10% of incentive. In level 2 you can get 5% of incentive from here, and in level 3 and level 4 you can get 5% of total incentive from here. So now moving ahead, let us talk about the royalty bonus program. So here in royalty 1, when you achieve 1 crore business target here, so you will get 15,000 rupees as monthly incentive, and for that you have to do 3 directs. In royalty 2, when you can achieve total 5 crore business target, so you will get 50,000 monthly incentive, and for that 4 directs are compulsory. In royalty 3, when you can achieve total 10 crore business target, so you will get 1 lakh monthly incentive, and for that 5 directs are required. And finally in royalty 4, when you can achieve the total target of 50 crore, you will get 5 lakh monthly incentive and 10 directs are required for this one. Also, 50% business will be counted from 1 lakh. Now, along with its all income, the company also have some terms and conditions. Like, the closing dates are 10th, 20th and 30th of every month. The payout dates are 5, 15 and 25th of every month. It will be 50% principal amount and 50% profit max. In every month, TDS 5% and admin charges 5% will be deducted only on all working incentives. 5 times hit capping, max 5 times income of all incomes. Here, after getting 5 times incentive or incomes, you have to retop up your ID. Minimum withdrawal amount is 500 rupees, as well as 10% PMS charge will be deducted in every package. So on screen, you can see the banking partners of the company as well as the official location of SuperX Trader. So these were the complete details about the company profile, business model, types of income and terms and conditions of the company. So you can join yourself with this company as soon as possible for getting the maximum benefits which we can make. For joining, you can contact on the details given below in the description. Thank you.